So, lesson 4, which is couple. So, every set of forces and moments has an equivalent force couple system. This is a single force and pure moment or couple acting at a single point that is statically equivalent to the original set of forces and moments. So, ito yung example ng couple. Sa iisang point, same sila ng force. So, ito yung example natin. Transform the couple into an equivalent couple having horizontal forces acting through E and F. So, dito, may una tayong couple which is yung 30 na, dito sa point na to, 30. Dalawang 30 newtons. So, para makuha yan, yung una nating couple, i-multiply natin sila sa distance nila para makuha natin. So, 60 times 4 is 240 Newton meter. So, para makuha natin yung Q na couple, yung ito tsaka ayan, i-ano lang natin siya sa distance niya, divide. 2, then itong ano niya, couple, then it is equals to, sa unang couple na nakuha natin. So, 2Q is equals to 240 Newton per meter. So, para makuha natin yung horizontal force ng E and F, di-divide lang natin siya ng 2 para makancel yung 2 sa kabila. Then, makuha natin yung pinaka-answer. So, yung couple na nag-act dito sa E and F is meron silang pareho na 120 Newton. So, ayun lang. Thank you.